Okay, so we are going to go through how to filter in Excel. So filtering in Excel allows you to, temporarily hide data that you don't require, at the moment, or you don't need that information. So for example, maybe you have a very large data set and you only want specific ones to show in Excel. So you can hide unwanted one. Now, how do we do that? Okay, so the first thing we need to do is to add what filters. So I will need to go to where we have sort and filter. So the icon, where you have the funnel icon there. So I click on the drop down and click filter. Now the scenario that I have, I'm required to, let's say I'm required to filter to show which supermarkets have ordered apple and melon products. So this is all the information I have. But on my spreadsheet, I only want to see which supermarkets have ordered apple and melon. So I've added filter to my headers there. I'm going to go through that again. I need to make sure I'm not clicking into an empty cell. I can as well select everything there, but I don't really have to. So far, I click on one cell and it's not empty. I can add filter. So I will go to the sort and filter icon. So I click the drop down, click on filter. Now I can then, based on my criteria, filter the data there. Now, so I've added filter to the column headers. So I want to show which supermarkets have ordered apple and melon products. So basically go to the products. So I need to go to this column here because that's what is going to show me what product has been ordered. So click on the drop down. Now I can untick or deselect everything, and then I want to only see apple and melon. So this is all I want to see. Then I'll say okay. So from this now, I can see that Tesco, Waitrose, Tesco, and Howdy have ordered apple and melon. So that's all that is required. Now in filtering, if I change my mind and I want to see everything again, all I need to do is just to go to the sort and filter icon, click the drop down, and I can use the clear and everything comes up there. Now if I then want to go ahead and only show maybe some products based on specific supermarkets. So for example, I want to show which products Lidl have ordered. Now in this case, I want to go to column B because this shows me the supermarkets. I want to show which products Lidl have ordered. So I go to the drop down here on the column B, supermarkets. Now I can see all the supermarkets there, and I untick, and I want to just see which products Lidl ordered. So I will click Lidl there and I'll say okay. Now, so Lidl have ordered grapes and orange. So that is me done with the filtering. So as I said, filtering is basically hiding, wanted, information or data on my, on my spreadsheet. So to clear it, the same thing. I can see everything there. So there are different ways that you can filter based on certain criteria that you have chosen. So for example, if I want to filter based on the products, I will click the drop down and choose what I want. Now on column C where I have orders here, so obviously I have numbers. If I click the drop down, I have the options because I only have numbers to click where I have number filters. Now let's say I only want to see the order that is more than 200 pounds. More than 200. I only want to see order that is more than 200. I click the drop down. I have number filters. So I want more than 200. So you could see, all the options that I have. So more than will be greater than. So if I click this option here, I want more than 200, I can type in the number and then say OK. Now, as you can see, all I have on my spreadsheet now is more than 200. So that is, another way of filtering based on certain criteria. If I clear the filter, if, for example, I want to filter based on the supermarket, I only want, for example, to have a supermarket that starts with, let's see, which one. So I only want a supermarket that starts with A, for example, letter A. So if I, had filter to my column headers again, and then we go to, so I will go to the drop down again. I have text filters because I only have text in this column. I don't have numbers. So I only want to see the supermarket that starts with A. So text filters begins with. So I click on that. So letter A, for example, is what I want to see. So if I say OK, now these are the supermarket that starts with A. So I've got Asda and I've got, Audi. Okay, so I'm going to go through that again. So if I clear the filter, I see everything on my, on my spreadsheet. Now, based on products, so let's see what criteria can we use here. So we have obviously different types, product here. So let's say I only want to see, oranges. So click the drop down. I can untick everything there and I only want to see orange there. So I say OK. So that is how, you can filter. Like I said, filtering is hiding unwanted information. So, but you only hide it, you can bring it back again. So that is all that is, you need to know in terms of filtering. There are obviously, many ways you can filter depending on the data set. So you will have, if you have text, you can click on text filters. If you have numbers, you can click on number filters. Okay, thanks for watching.